Money is no longer moving the way it used to. The rules that worked a few years ago are starting to feel outdated, and the market is shifting in ways that demand a new kind of strategy. As 2026 approaches, many people are noticing the same thing. The future is rewarding those who prepare early and think smarter about every financial decision. This year showed how quickly trends can change, one month bringing sudden growth, the next delivering unexpected drops. Investors who stayed flexible and focused managed to protect their money, while others struggled to adjust. The new year is bringing fresh opportunities, but also new risks that require clear thinking, steady planning, and a stronger understanding of how the modern market works. If 2025 taught us anything, it's that smart investing is not about luck, it's about preparation, and the choices you make today could shape your financial path for years to come. Strengthen your financial base before investing. Before thinking about investing in 2026, it's important to make sure your financial base is strong. A solid foundation gives you confidence and protects you when the market becomes unpredictable. Many people rush into investing because they hear about fast profits, but smart investors start with stability. This begins with building an emergency fund. Having savings that cover 3 to 6 months of your expenses can help you stay calm during sudden job changes, medical issues, or unexpected bills. It also stops you from pulling money out of your investments too early. Next, try to reduce high-interest debt. Debt with high interest can eat away at your income and make it harder to grow your money. Paying it down not only lifts stress but also frees more money for investing later. Finally, understand your monthly budget. Knowing exactly how much money comes in and how much goes out makes planning easier. It helps you stay consistent with your investing goals and avoid overspending. A strong financial base is like the foundation of a house. Without it, everything you build on top becomes risky. But with a stable base, every investment you make in 2026 becomes safer and more rewarding. Focus on safe, steady investments for long-term growth. As 2026 approaches, many experts believe the market will reward investors who focus on safe and steady growth instead of high-risk bets. This doesn't mean avoiding opportunities. It simply means choosing investments that grow slowly but consistently over time. Index funds and ETFs are great examples. They spread your money across many companies, lowering your risk while still giving you steady growth. These types of investments often perform well even when the market is unpredictable. They are perfect for people who want long-term success without constant worry. Bonds also play an important role. They may not make huge profits, but they offer stability. When the market becomes rough, bonds can help balance your portfolio and reduce stress. Dividend stocks are another smart choice. These are companies that share a part of their profit with investors every year. The payments may be small, but they add up over time and provide a reliable stream of income. The goal in 2026 is to build a portfolio that can survive ups and downs. Safe investments help protect your money while still allowing it to grow. They may not be exciting, but they are dependable, and dependability is exactly what many investors need in the changing market. Identify the fast-growing sectors of 2026. While safe investments create stability, growth sectors offer opportunities for higher returns in 2026. The key is to look at areas that are expanding quickly because of new technology, changing consumer habits, or global demand. One of the strongest growth areas is artificial intelligence. AI is shaping industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and customer service. Companies that use AI to improve speed and decision-making often grow faster than their competitors. Renewable energy is another powerful sector. As more countries push for cleaner solutions, solar, wind, and battery technology companies are gaining value quickly. This sector has long-term potential because the world is moving towards sustainable energy. Cybersecurity is also becoming essential. With more businesses going digital, the need for online protection continues to rise. Companies that help protect data will stay in high demand. Robotics and automation are expected to grow as well. More factories, hospitals, and service industries are using robots to increase efficiency. These sectors may offer higher risk compared to safe investments, but they also offer higher rewards. Choosing a few growth opportunities can help you balance your portfolio and prepare for the future. Build a more flexible investment strategy. The year 2026 will require investors to be more flexible than ever. The market is changing quickly, and strategies that worked in the past may not work the same way now. This is why flexibility is such an important part of preparing your money for the new year. A flexible strategy means being open to small adjustments rather than sticking to one plan no matter what happens. It includes checking your portfolio regularly, maybe once a month or every quarter, to make sure everything still matches your goals. If one investment is performing poorly while another is doing well, you can rebalance to keep things steady. Flexibility also means not putting all your money into one idea. If the market shifts, you want to be able to move smoothly without taking big losses. Another part of flexibility is staying calm during sudden changes. The market may rise or fall quickly, but reacting too fast can lead to mistakes. Instead of panicking, use changes as signals to review your strategy. Don't ignore global trends and new policies. Your investments in 2026 will be shaped not just by the companies you choose, but also by what happens around the world. Global events, new government rules, and economic changes can influence the market in powerful ways. That's why it's important to stay informed and pay attention to major trends. Interest rate decisions, for example, can change how much everything costs. When rates rise, borrowing becomes harder. When rates fall, companies and consumers spend more. Understanding this can help you make smarter investing choices. New regulations also matter. Governments may introduce rules that support clean energy, limit certain industries, or encourage new technology. These decisions can affect which sectors grow and which ones struggle. Global events like trade agreements, elections, or international conflicts can impact markets too. Even if something happens far away, it can still influence prices, supply chains, and investor confidence. Staying aware doesn't mean you need to study every detail. It simply means keeping an eye on major news and understanding how it might affect your money. Investors who stay informed can react faster, avoid risks, and take advantage of new opportunities that others may miss. Protect your wealth through smart risk management. Growing your money is important, but protecting it is even more important. Risk management is the key to keeping your investments safe during unexpected market changes. In 2026, this will matter more than ever. The first step is diversification. This means spreading your money across different sectors and investment types. If one area drops, the others can help balance your portfolio. Diversification is one of the simplest and strongest ways to reduce risk. Patience is another important tool. Some investors rush to buy or sell based on emotion, which often leads to losses. Staying calm and thinking long-term helps you avoid mistakes and stay focused on your goals. It's also helpful to set clear limits. For example, decide how much you're willing to lose on a risky investment. If it drops below that amount, you can step away before the loss becomes too big. Finally, understand your own risk level. Some people can handle big swings in the market, others prefer slow and steady growth. Knowing your comfort level makes decision-making easier. Today's breakdown showed why a strong financial base, steady investments, growth sectors, flexible planning, global awareness, and smart risk management are key to preparing your money for 2026. Each choice you make now can shape your financial future in powerful ways. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. There's so much more to explore about the changing world of money, and we'll uncover even bigger strategies in the next video. Stay prepared, stay curious, and see you soon.